WestJet 709, Toronto Tower, wind 280 at 17, gust 29, cleared for takeoff, runway 23.
Tower, good afternoon, swoop 272, we're over no 24 right.
Swoop 272, Toronto Tower, wind 260 at 23, gust 30, clear to land, runway 24 right.
Roger, clear to land 24 right, swoop 272.
Hello Tower, Canada 879 Heavy with you, ILS approach, runway 24 right.
879 Heavy, Toronto Tower, good afternoon, wind 270 at 22, gust 31, cleared to land, runway 24 right.
Clear to land 24 right here, Canada 879.
Swoop 272, right on Echo, contact ground 1.
Swoop 272.
Tower, cabin 079 with you, no inbound.
Wind 079, Toronto Tower, low, wind 280, 23, gust 30, cleared to land, runway 24 right.
79.
Can 879, Charlie 2, then Echo, contact ground 1219, good day.
Charlie 2 Echo, 0.9 Air Canada 879. Good day, sir.
Air Canada 873 Heavy, by Noah.
Air Canada 873 Heavy, Tower, wind 260 at 20, gust 25, cleared to land, runway 24 right.
Clear to land 24 right, Air Canada 873.
079, Charlie 2, Echo, contact ground 1219, good day.
Charlie 2 Echo, cabin 079.
Toronto Tower, good afternoon, Pakistan 797 Heavy, ILS 24 right.
Pakistan 797 Heavy, Tower, good day, wind 260 at 20, gusting 25 knots, cleared to land, runway 24 right.
Clear land 24 right, Pakistan 797 Heavy.
136, Charlie 2, Echo, contact ground 1219.
Ready to Echo 1219, Air Canada 126. Readers at 2372, ILS 24 right.
Rears 2372, Tower, wind 270 at 20, gusting 30, cleared to land, runway 24 right.
Clear to land 24 right for Rears 2372.
Tower, Air Canada 7232, 7 miles back, ILS 24 right.
Air Canada 7232 Heavy, Tower, wind 280 at 20, gusting 25, cleared to land, runway 24 right.
Air Canada 7232, clear to land 24 right.
Flare 186, contact departure 1288 in the air, wind 280 at 20, gusting 30 knots, clear takeoff runway 23.
Clear takeoff, runway 23, and departure airborne 288, Flare 186.
Tower, Canada 260, ILS 24 right.
Air Canada 260, Toronto Tower, hello, wind 280 at 27, gusting 35 knots. Clear to land, runway 24 right.
Clear land, runway 24 right, Air Canada 260.
WestJet 658 with you, Noah at ILS 24 right.
WestJet 658, Toronto afternoon, squall going through the airport right now. South wind 280, 29, gusting 41. Clear to land, runway 24 right.
Clear to land 24 right, we copy that, WestJet 658. Etihad 141, good afternoon, on ILS runway 24 right.
Etihad 141, Heavy, Toronto, good afternoon, wind 290, with 32, gusting 41. Clear to land, runway 24 right.
Runway 24 right, clear to land, Etihad 141.
Canada 260, exit Charlie 2, join Echo, contact ground 1219ers. Yeah.
Exit Charlie 2, join Echo, contact ground 121, 9, Air Canada 260.
Target Air Canada 104, just inside Noah, 54 right.
Air 104, Heavy, Toronto afternoon, wind 290 at 26, gusting 41. Well, the gust was when the shower went through. That's probably not as high as that right now. Clear to land, runway 24 right.
Clear land 24 right, check remarks, Air Canada 104.
Tower, good afternoon, with 241, he's 7 miles final, 24 right.
Numbers 241 Heavy, Toronto, good afternoon, wind 290, 25, gusting 35, clear to land, runway 24 right.
That's one, 24 right, 241 Heavy.
323. Swift 269 afternoon, contact departure in the air, 1288, wind 290, 16, gusting 28, cliff takeoff, runway 23.
Cliff takeoff 23, 8,
Check 290, 22, gust 35. Numbers 241, 10 right, was a Delta and contact ground 1219, good day.
Right on Delta and 1219, I mean it's 241, bye, thank you.